This symbol means probability of event A. An example is finding the probability of getting heads on a coin flip when heads equals A. And so the probability of event A would be 1/2. Go.
This symbol is the probability of the event not A. That means that this represents the probability of the events that are not A occurring.
This symbol represents the probability of A given B. An example would be in a class of 100, 50 students play baseball and 50 students play football, and 10 play both. So what would be the probability of a student playing baseball given they play football? And the answer is 2/5.
This symbol means the population mean. The population is the entire pool from which a statistical sample is drawn. A mean is the average of a group of data. So a population mean is the average of the entire population.
This symbol stands for the population variance, which is the mean of the deviations from the mean squared. This symbol is the Greek letter sigma. The deviation is the difference from the mean value. This is the equation for population variance, where n equals the size of the population and m is the population mean.
The Greek letter sigma is the symbol for population standard deviation. Standard deviation is a measure of how spread out numbers are. This is the equation for the population standard deviation, which is the square root of the variance.
This symbol means the sample mean, which is the mean of a numerical set. An example would be the mean of home runs on a school baseball team. This symbol means the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic sequence. An example would be to find s sub 3 in the sequence 1, 2, 3, which is 1 plus 2 plus 3, and that equals 6. And here's the equation. Go.
This symbol is the sample variance, a measure of the spread within a set of sample data. This is the equation for sample variance.
You plot something, you draw the coordinates on a graph, like I did here.
Compare. Talk about the similarities and differences between two or more items. Deduce. Show how a result is obtained using past knowledge. Justify. Give a valid or logical reason to explain how you reached your conclusion.